Hi, today's lesson is about surface area. We've been talking about volume for a while, which is how much this box will hold. Right now we're going to talk about how much it would take to wrap the outside of this box, so we want to find the area of each of the faces. A little bit more work than volume, but it's not that difficult once you start piecing this together. So right now this box has 6 faces. The nice thing is that there's duplicates of each one. It's not an irregular shape. So we have this front face here, which is the 5 by 3 face. So 5 by 3 is going to give us 15 square inches, or inches squared. That's this face here. There's 2 of these, so that's going to give us 2 of those. We're going to add together. There's that one, and then there's this one that's on the back. The side here is going to be a 10 by 3, so we've got a 10 by 3, which is going to give us 30 square inches. Don't put the square on the 30 because that means you're squaring the 30 and not the actual inches. It's how many square inches fit in the side. So we've got 30 and 30, and then the top and the bottom are going to be, it's going to get a little messy here, but that's okay. We've got 10 by 5, which is going to give us 50. So now we've got 2 50s. So if we add all these together, we've got 100 here, we've got 60 here, and then we've got a 30 here. So altogether, our surface area is going to be 190. And again, it's going to be square inches. It's not cubic, because cubic is how many cubes it would hold. Square inches is how many squares you can fit on the outside of this box. All right, this next shape is a triangular prism. Very similar to the rectangular prism, just that we have to deal with some triangles when we're finding the area. So this has 2 rectangular faces that are exactly the same, another rectangular face that's just a little bit different, and 2 triangular faces. So let's start with the triangular faces. I'm going to say we're going to get these triangles here. We have the height and the base. You take 1/2 base times height. So you're going to take 6 times 4, which is 24, divide that in half, which is 12. So you've got a triangle here, which is 12 square centimeters. You've got another triangle on that side, which is also 12 square centimeters. Then we have the face along the side here that is going to be 8 times 5, which is 40. And we have another one that matches that on the other side. So you've got another 40 centimeters squared. And then you've got the bottom that it's sitting on right now. I don't want to call it the base, because the base is technically the triangles, because that's how we name it. So the very bottom that's sitting on right now is 5 by 4, which is 20. So you have one of those at 20 square centimeters. When you add all of these together, you're going to have 24, you've got 80, and then you've got the 20. So you've got 124. And again, it's going to be square centimeters because you're trying to find the area of all these faces, and area is always in squares.